Well, Timestar has accessed more details. The secret file, the IT document on the main accused Madhu Koda has been out. We are getting you a 7-part series on the web of deceit. And let's go across to part 3 of our series, Enforcement Directorate documents pointing to the involvement of a certain company called Messrs. Blue Techno and the Man Friday of Madhu Koda, Sanjay Chaudhary. Megha Prasad now joining me on these details. Megha, if you look closely at these documents and those papers that Timestar has accessed, the details and the link between the right-hand man and the main link Bastavde as well as the Man Friday, who is reportedly in UAE, is well established.
Well, yes, and if we can talk about the link of Madhu Koda and how he was sending his money outside India through Hawala, then trying to turn all this Hawala money, which is essentially his black money, into white. The web starts, of course, from Mr. Madhu Koda. From Mr. Madhu Koda, it goes on to Vinod Sinha. From Vinod Sinha to Sanjay Chaudhary. From Sanjay Chaudhary to Anil Bastavde. And this is the link how the money was also following from one person to the other. And at this moment, when we talk about Blue Techno, now Blue Techno is happens to be a company in which Mr. Anil Bastavde, the person we pretty much hounded back from Indonesia to India, is the 75% owner, the stakeholder in this particular company called Blue Techno, a company which is based out of Indonesia, and a company that holds multiple mining leases in that country, probably operates from different mines. But according to the income tax investigators, the people, the top officials who have looked into this case very, very closely, Rupali, what we have been told is that the money that was used to buy Blue Techno, it was the money which belonged to Manoj Punamia. In turn, the money actually that can be traced back to Mr. Madhu Koda directly.
Megha Prasad, Poonam Agarwal, Vivek as well as Aishwarya, thanks for joining us with those details.